Very good morning, all of you. I am your SS teacher Shweta. I hope you are watching all the videos carefully and solving worksheets. We have completed chapter 2, My India. Now it's time for revision. Let us revise what we have learnt in this chapter. Revision Chapter 2, My India. Location of India. India is the seventh largest country in the world and has diverse physical features. India is surrounded by water bodies on three sides: the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Indian Ocean in the south. Our country is surrounded by water bodies on three sides, hence India is called a peninsula. India shares its boundaries with 8 countries. These countries are India's neighbors: Afghanistan and Pakistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, and Sri Lanka in the south. India has diverse physical features and landforms. The main physical divisions of India are the northern mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert, Peninsula Plateau, coastal plains and islands. The world's tallest mountain range, the Himalayas, are located in the northern part of India. The northern plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. The soil found in this area is very fertile and suitable for growing crops. The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert is in the northwestern part of India. It receives little rainfall and the land here is very dry. The Peninsula region is covered by the Peninsula Plateau. The Peninsula Plateau is bordered by the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats. The Vindhya and Satpura ranges lie to the north of the Peninsula Plateau. The eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains border the Peninsula Plateau on both sides. The eastern coastal plains are located between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. The western coastal plains are located between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. There are two main island groups in India: the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Let us revise the names of Indian states, union territories and their respective capitals. Andhra Pradesh. Capital is Hyderabad. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur. The capital is Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh. Students, Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab as well as Haryana. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata. Union territories and their capitals. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh, the capital is Chandigarh. Students, Chandigarh is the Union territory and also it is the capital of two states. Which are they? Yes, Punjab and Haryana. Very good. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. The capital is Daman. Delhi. The capital is New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir. In summer, Srinagar. In winter, Jammu. Lakshadweep. The capital is Kavarati. Puducherry. The capital is Pondicherry. Ladakh. The capital is Leh. India's culture and physical features make India a land of diversity. I hope you all have understood very well. We will meet soon on the next session with the new chapter. Take care everyone. Bye.